in the middle of the driveway.
All right.
All
All right. Hi. It's your birthday party today.
Yeah,
How old are you now?
4.
4. And what were you for your Halloween party?
M&M.
M&M. What color M&M?
Red.
Hey.
Yeah, with it.
You catch? Don't mind me.
And more than a third of that, nearly $12 billion has gone to legal costs.
My dad, you know, see what we're doing anyway.
What is it?
It's called the Super Bee Kit, right?
Michelle, what are you making?
Necklace.
A big old necklace? Are those a lot of pieces?
We stepped in on.
I am so disgusted with it, and if it looks like landfill, I just junk it. I've lived all my life contributing to the community, helping every little rule, helping to give the garbage
Too cool, Dracula.
Who are you? Let's hear your Darth Vader impersonation. Trekkie. Lego. Vinny, where are you going trick-or-treating tonight? Where are you going trick-or-treating tonight?
Second grader.
How you been doing? I haven't seen you for a while. Hey, David. Are you that person that everybody looks for?
Yes! There's another one.
Waldo, right?
They're on every page.
There's another.
There's another one. She's the first page, I'm the last.
Well, these guys all went out and got their costumes together.
All the way against the wall. All the way against the wall. Against the wall. Against the wall. As far as you can.
Good.
I messed up. Nobody's straight down.
No, 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 no. stand up first. We just slide you down.
Well, we slid tomorrow.
Who are you?
I'm Sean.
Sean?
Yeah, I'm a pregnant lady.
You sit right here.
Oh, no, I'll be good.
Look at that. That's a good costume. Hey, how you doing, Matthew? A peacock. A businesswoman. A stockbroker. Oh, a cell phone. Good. Count Chocula. Hey Brian, everything fit okay? Where's the pants? You got them on? Hobo Kelly. Too cool for school. There they are again. Hey, your little brothers are sitting all the way back there. There's like 5 of you guys. They're all backed up? Is that what's going on? Brian? Tell your mom he could take the Matt's name off the top if he wants. He could take it off. It's okay.
Hey, get off the phone. It's dangerous to walk in the dog. I know. Who's cheaper than me? I am the cheapest.
Hey, trash!
Wait. Nice and cool as that one. There you go. That's all the joke now. I'm cheap. You see those teeth? Who is that? Oh, hey, Corbin. Oh, cool cake. Who are you? Who is this? Why don't you just beam yourself back to the classroom? It's quicker. Hi, man.
Hi. So this is where you hang out? Did you have fun at the parade?
Not me, I was embarrassed.
You're embarrassed? Why?
I was costume.
Because you were a girl? It's only Halloween. Hey, Vinny. Who else is in your class that I know? Is Matthew K?
Yeah. He's over there.
Okay.
He has fake dye in his hair.
Oh, he does?
I thought you weren't allowed to dye your hair.
Anybody need any help?
No.
I've got
As long as you don't put a gun in your hair, you're okay.
and no makeup.
Do you want me to introduce me to anybody in your class?
Mitchell.
Mitchell?
We got everybody.
Who else?
Okay, he's Alex. Tell him you're the one who has all the tickets. Alex. Guess what? Alex.
Alice?
Alex.
Alex.
My name's Fred. I'm behind.
Oh.
My name's Alex.
Oh, you're Alex. Okay.
Miles group.
Come on up.
What?
What? They were.
Like your costume.
Thanks.
Very
When
good.
will I get to go to the penalty box?
When do you get to go? How about right now? You're out of here.
I'm a hockey player. Yeah, I'll take out his phone. See, Abby's already. Abby, you can't eat yet.
Hold it in your hand on the bottom.
Eat when everyone's smiling.
So this is Matt's class, huh?
I'm in his Cub Scout group.
I know, I recognized you.
Matt Case. I did. The first time I even tried Boy Scout, the first time I went to
Let's wait till everybody's circled.
You guys, well, which one of these you want? I'll do it for you.
Actually, for today, why don't you go ahead and start eating since there's a lot of food to choose from. We don't want you to starve while you're waiting. So go ahead and you can eat.
Can somebody splatter some,
Make sure you don't get your sleeve in
You
it.
know what? Can you dip your apple in it and then put it on your plate? Do you want me to do it for you since you've got your gloves on? Do you want just one?
So great. My husband's like,
Some yummy caramel.
I've been traveling all week, so this is the first time I've seen him since Monday, so that's an old moment.
Hey, I got a laser cookie. I got
Okay. Lindsay's group, please. Sorry. We don't know.
This stuff's
No.
Miss Phillips, you got
It's over at my desk. Thank you so much. Too bad there's no.
one right here.
Whoa. No, you guys were the first ones to line up.
Oh, so it's only fair then.
No, we were I was one of the last ones, that's all. I'm one of the last ones, and I got to be the first.
How'd your costume fit?
Yeah.
Oh dear, he's trying to kill me with the pumpkin.
I know. Look at it. Jeff, you are so silly. Those are really expensive shoes.
I didn't have to pay a cent.
So break them. They're really expensive shoes.
They look really
Right here, Jeff. Jeff, where?
It's the right size for it.
Jeff.
Oh, I think it's great.
Jeff.
Get it back.
Jeff.
We thought you would have.
She can't walk in her
Thank you. Thank you. If you like Halal, you'll see it again next year. This is my third year with it, so.
Oh, no, don't you wear that every day?
Secretly.
Let's
let everybody come and get there first, and then we'll talk about something. Okay, and this is true.
Let Tommy eat. Mark, do you want lettuce?
If you got it. You got it on the table. What?
Hey, little fat on the one.
You make funny songs. Do you need a top on here?
Didn't he spill the last time he was here?
Better than the one.
I think he did.
Better than dozen.
Mark thinks you need a top, Tommy.
I think he spilled last time.
That's a dummy. And he's a ducky. Now it's started.
And the wife, you know, the wife was there?
Uh-huh. You could tell I was like walking through her house. She didn't want me in there.
Really?
Mm-hmm. She was kind
Better
of
little
irritated.
faces now.
You didn't come in through the back.
That's part one. Got it from no, Mike. No, Mike. It was when I got it.
Or what? Was it a business or was it just his personal accounting?
That's mine.
Matthew, are you going to perform?
That's mine. And that's mine. See, you guys, part
He
two.
owns apartment buildings.
Thank you.
Part two.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Okay. This is Matt and his Diablo. Give it up for Matt and his Diablo.
Because I met John Stampler. He was there. And
End of show one.
no,
And the fans are going crazy. They're going wild over here.
Greenwood. Show one is over. Did you get that thing?
Tommy.
How about
Magazine with all those gorgeous.
Tommy,
okay, Act 2.
Where is this?
Act 2.
It says like minutes from the
Cherry
tech
Hill.
center.
Cherry Hill.
Where's Lauren? Where's Lauren?
Something.
Greenwood Village is
Where
where.
is that?
Greenwood Village is just.
Where?
All you do is take.
What's she
Holly.
doing?
It runs from Holly.
I hope she's not. Let's go see what she's doing.
Find it back there.
All right, Matt.
Orchard.
Let's see it.
You go
Number 2.
right on Orchard.
Yeah,
goes
but
through the
Can you
area.
carry Tommy?
A lot of Greenwood
Look at
Villages.
watch Michelle pick Tommy
On
up.
the east side
Watch
of
this.
25.
Yeah.
What you got on?
Your hair's not quite done.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Go.
Let me see.
Go.
Go ahead. All right, go.
Want me to finish your hair?
No.
It's almost done. No, you want to do it yourself?
After then you to the west.
Yeah.
Go.
Who are you? You a hockey player? What's your name? Fruit Loop Kid? Let me see what you got on. What do you got on? Is that an Avalanche shirt? Oh, our Avalanche, are they the best hockey team in the world?
That one. Oh, you have nails on too. You have nail polish on.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay. Okay, I'll let.
Here we are, cookie night.
Thanksgiving
Cookie night, Thanksgiving dinner.
So we know where we were last year.
Here, film some of mine. Grab on.
Oh, there you go. There it is.
Come on.
Ah, who's playing?
There's our turkey.
Reba, what you doing? Where's your shoes?
It can't be 3. Take them off. One after 4. No, cause 4. 3. She told me to 3. 3. 4. Oh! 4. Yeah.
What?
Now try to say how old you are.
Tell me how much you like hockey.
5. 4?
How much you like hockey?
4.
Huh? How much?
500? Oh, 10. Oh, I see. No.
Talk to me.
This is fun.
Tell me how much you like hockey. How much you like hockey?
Mommy, say so many, no one can count that high.
Say a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
A lot.
Let me see it here again.
A lot. One.
Never heard.
What's going on here?
Give me that one. A real short one. Is there a real short one?
Michelle, why do you have your shirt off? Because Daddy has his off? Oh, okay.
We're working here. Give me some wood, Michelle. A moment to savor. What are you looking for? This whole box over there. Give me either a real small one or a bigger one than this. Bigger than this.
Daddy, we don't have.
You don't have any?
No.
My helper's running out of steam.
We're winning. Yeah. Good card. 7-4. Hey, let go of my stick. Let go. Yes! I need you, please, Dad.
Let me see Tommy. Will, you don't want to use a real goalie stick?
Yeah!
We cut one down.
That,
I'll slide it through the garage.
okay. Five, 7.
What's the matter, Tommy?
Every time when I get a goal, Matthew pushes us.
Well, give him an elbow. Hey, Tommy, you love hockey? Let me see ya.
Was the door open?
Yeah.
Now she'll go down, see? He's eating snow, she's eating snow.
Can't keep that thing steady. Well, we got some snow last night.
We sure did.
Got the Christmas lights up.
Hi, guys!
There's going to be a place to lock this thing in. Once you've locked it, before you take off your red carabiners, it's those red pellets hanging down. You're going to holler, check! At the top of your lungs. Now there's an office building right over there for that wall. I want you guys on the count of 3 to yell so loud that they get annoyed and start beating on the wall, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, not quite. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Sounds good to me. Okay. Now, this is always before taking off your red carabiners. Okay? Now, I'm assuming you're all intelligent young men who can understand me if I just tell you how to do it, right?
Right.
Okay. This is the Burma Loop Bridge. Everybody say that. Burma Loop Bridge. Okay. We got this big ladder thing. You're going to wait in line behind this ladder, back there somewhere, okay? When it's your turn, you're going to come around the ladder and climb up to one of these small red steps right here. Okay, guys? Everybody got that? Everybody say small red step.
Small red step.
When you're there, you take your red carabiner. Everybody say red carabiner.
Red carabiner.
And look at your yellow loop. Everybody say yellow loop.
Yellow loop.
Once you've got it hooked up there, you step out into this net. And you hook your blue carabiner up to that wire. Okay, everybody got that? Blue carabiner to that wire right there. You lock it, and what do? You yell.
Check.
That was pretty wimpy. 1.
Matthew, having fun?
Squeeze balls.
And there's Mark, who wants to play more than anything else. He hasn't gotten out of there since the boys went in. No, no, no. Whoa! Michelle, move out of the way. Whoa!
Mom! Mom!
Who's coming down the line? Travis.
Mommy, that night. It's up to your mom.
Hey, Will!
Don't stay. That's freaking. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Is it harder than it looks? Whoa! No, you have to be 6. Michelle, get out from under there, okay? Come on. The boys have to climb down that ladder.
Hello. Mommy, whoa. I need some help here.
ever been here, Maverick?
No. Who's gonna help me? Why don't you win? I can't get out. No, you don't have to. Help me. Help me, somebody. The signature. Somebody help me. Don't shake me. Trash, just jump off. No. We have a blue thing. It's at the end, so that's why it's shaking. Seems like that. Don't explain muscles like Hannah.
No.
Okay, now go over there. Now, get off. Stop shaking me. Stop shaking me, you'll never come.
Yay!
All right, stand there. Stay. All right, back up a little bit. Your shadows. Recording the whole time? Wait a minute.
The red light's not on.
Okay, now it's on. All right. Here, I want you to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah. Back up a little bit. Michelle, I want to see you too. I want to see you too, Michelle.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
All right, let me see. How do you like those PJs?
Go yeah!
You like them?
Yeah.
All right, you want to give me a tour of the Christmas tree? Show me your tree this year.
That's the end of those are lights that Mom hates that are blinking. And these are called bubble lights. Here's ornaments. Here's a blinking ornament. And what else? Well, used to be blinking. Used to be right there. And then it would blink.
Okay.
Here's some stars.
Did you make some stars?
Yeah. And here's the train track. I'll show you how the train works.
No, that's okay. All right, let me see the tree. Are you guys excited because it's going to be Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the biggest tree we've ever had, isn't it?
Yeah! And it's the first pine wood we've ever had. Yes!
Did you pick out the tree?
Oh yeah.
What else did you do?
I decorated it. I put the angel on. Not.
Show me some of the presents. Did you get it? Are you getting presents?
Yes, a lot of presents. We got a lot of presents under the tree.
All right. Don't step on any of the trains, okay? All right.
Hi, Santa.
So we have to ask him if we can take his picture. Yeah. Okay, why don't you go stand by the reindeer and we'll get your picture taken. Gina, Michelle, and Matt, go stand by the reindeer. Look at Mommy. Lauren, you're not looking at Mommy. Lauren. Oh, forget it. All right, you guys. Gina.
Michelle. Lauren.
There's Lauren. She just woke up from a nap. Forget about her, huh? You guys want to feed the reindeer? I brought some
Nice
quarters.
googly eyes. I found some googly eyes, Mom.
Wow, look at that reindeer.
5 or 10 minutes.
These are really cold.
I know.
I spilled them too.
You spilled some?
Mom, what do you do?
Just put it by the fence and see if he wants to eat it.
Marcia, you want to see?
Rain antlers are really, really fuzzy.
I'd like to get a picture of the reindeer.
Did he snibble?
I wonder if I could stand on this a bit.
He doesn't want it.
No? Did you try to feed him, Michelle?
Yeah, he ate mine.
Did he?
No, he didn't, Michelle. He just.
Okay. Now say it.
Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, now Blitzen, now dash away all.
All right.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
All right.
Whoa!
Jump down!
Well, that was too far to jump. You better get up.
Michelle, why did you do that? That's too far, honey.
No, spin.
Your collar's inside out.
What?
Collar's inside out. Mom says we have to open up the Hanukkah presents before everybody gets here.
Okay.
Not right now, but
These are from my grandma.
How do you spell Caleb?
C-A-L-E-B.
wait, Michelle, let me get you. Hold on. Can I take your picture? Come on, Jody.
C-A-L-E-B.
No.
Okay, here we are. What's tonight?
Christmas Eve.
Okay, lay down. Lay down. What are you guys waiting for?
We're gonna stay up all night and wait for Santa Claus to come. And then when we hear the sleigh bells and the reindeer land on the roof, since we're on the second story, we'll run downstairs and see him.
Ooh.
Yeah, Mac, I already saw Santa. I want a souvenir and a gum machine, that one, and a playhouse.
Did you get him?
No. Mommy, but I saw you, that one, and I saw it. I see that gum machine.
Mom. Milk and cookies and carrots.
Oh, that's right. Uh-oh. Okay, go ahead. I think we should leave Santa the,
Mom, can you get a cup down?
hmm?
Can you get a cup down so I can pour some milk for him?
Yeah, for Santa?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
And he could, if
You guys excited?
Get the pen, Mac.
not yet, we have to do the train.
What is the deal with the polar bear, Matt?
The polar bear eat reindeer, so Santa Claus better keep his reindeer safe.
Mm.
And we saw Cupid, so Cupid is
We know Cupid's okay.
positively safe. I'm just getting the train ready.
Michelle, what did you ask for Santa for Christmas?
A souvenir and a gum machine and a playhouse and a big tent lamp and a big tent plant and a big tent daddy, and a big tent mommy, and a big tent brother, and a big tent Soji, and a big tent card.
Oh my. How old are you, Michelle?
5.
How old?
5.
4. How old are you this Christmas, Matthew?
8.
And what did you ask Santa for?
Not very much.
You didn't even ask for anything this year, did you?
No.
No
letter, no talk.
Now I know what Santa looks like.
What?
I saw him when he talked to him.
Well, actually,
It has
that's
a
at the mall.
beard,
That's actually at the mall. That's fake.
and he has eyes, and he goes down that Sandy doesn't he? No, real tree. Mommy,
What?
see, this brick is burning. The fire goes up. That's why it burns.
We're not going to have a fire tonight when Santa comes.
Yeah. When Santa goes down on empty and it fires up, he will go, I can't do it. The fire.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So I can't do that. He'll be like,
Or maybe he'll do that thing where he opens the window quietly.
So you guys still think you're going to stay up all night?
There. Here you go. It has your name on it.
What day is it?
Christmas.
Already found gum from Santa.
Gum? Are you allowed to eat gum on Christmas?
Yeah.
Give me a hug.
I'm gonna open the one that's from Michelle.
Merry Christmas. Ooh.
Dad, you
Whose
might wanna...
presents are whose?
Look
These
at
are all
this. They
mine.
already separated everything.
That's Matt's presents.
I don't think you ought to be allowed to move anything till I wake up.
Michelle, what happened
I'm
to the train?
opening Michelle.
There's Michelle's presents.
I'm opening the one that Michelle gave to me. Dad,
This
I'm
is
opening...
the key. How come the train stopped?
Mommy, you got a little present.
Thank you.
Look what Michelle gave me.
Ooh. There you go.
Thank you, Michelle. You're welcome.
Okay, wait. We all get to open one from Michelle. This is for Michelle.
Present from Michelle.
Dad, get yours. Did you make one for Daddy?
She went shopping.